Hello guys, welcome back. This is Taurus 3800 with another unboxing of a product I just picked up. Yes, it's kind of noisy out here. Sorry for the noise. I am by my pool. And plus there's some loud cars outside, so I'm outdoors right now just doing this unboxing. Provides nice lighting. Well, let's go on with this. This is a lightning cable I picked up at Walgreens. It's by Infinitive Company, which is a Walgreens sub-brand. This lightning cable I bought for my brand new iPhone. Just to let you know, I am a Samsung guy, but I just purchased a new iPhone because my girlfriend made me do it, and plus I wanted to see what their universe is like, which is pretty good because I have an iMac and a MacBook Pro, so might as well just have the phone to combine with it. Yeah, I gave a lot of crap to iPhone a long time ago, but hey, it's my money. I can do whatever I want. Alright, so let's continue with this. I am recording on my Samsung Galaxy, so I did keep the phone, but I bought me another phone. Yes, okay. Alright, so this is a lightning cable. I wanted to purchase this because the cable that Apple provides is very, very short. I mean, so short that, you try to look at things while plugged in and it's just gonna pull it out of its wall socket. So I purchased this 9-foot cable. They are available in 3 feet, 6 feet, and 9 feet, and even more, I believe. But 9 feet, I think, is extremely long. I did buy my girlfriend one, and she wanted to kind of switch it for a 6-footer because 9 feet is pretty big already. Well, let's continue with this. The Infinitive Company also makes other products such as charger, wall warts, and all different types of accessories for Android, Apple, and other things. This one is for any Apple device that has the Lightning connector on it. You could buy an adapter for it, but it doesn't make sense if you have the older Apple products, so might as well just get it for what it is, right? So let's open it up here and see what we find. This is my first time opening it, so I don't know what to expect. Let me get my trusty unboxing knife. Alright, so I have here my unboxing knife. It is a Smith & Wesson. It was locked. I unlocked it recently. So let's flip it up. Smith & Wesson. There's a couple of things because I use this to kind of slash my tags in my cars just in case they get stolen. Preventative. It's a little worn out because I have used it with a lot of things, but the sharpness never goes away. So let's kind of cut this through. Sorry about that. There we go. 1 and come on, baby. And 2. Okay. Alright, let's put this to the side and open it up, and let's see what we have inside. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, yes, it's all Walgreens right here. Picked it up for like $9 to $15 if you want to go check it out. And here is the way the product's presented. Not much to see, nothing in the box. Alright, so let's toss that to the side. And let's take the cable out. Alright, and this is the cable. So as you can see, no instruction manual. But why would you need that? I mean, you gotta be a complete moron to not know how to use a lightning cable if you purchase one for the purpose of using it. But if you don't know how to use it, I guess this is some sort of instructions. But I mean, you're gonna need help with life if you don't know how to use this, if you need an instruction manual. Alright, so this is the cable itself. It's kind of hard to open it, not in the sense physically, but mentally, because it is a super, super long cable. What that? So it's wrapped up in a sort of funky way here. Just be careful, you don't want to tangle yourself here, get trapped. Alright, yeah, it goes all over my tripod and everything because it's such a long cable. So how long is this cable? So I have it here hooked up to a project I've been working on. Well, me and my father-in-law here, which is a nice little patio. There I am, hello. Alright. So I'm just gonna show you how long is this wire here. This is the best representation I can show. So here is the lightning connector. If I can get it in focus. Come on, baby. You know, sometimes these phones, there it is. Beautiful. Okay, so let's go and check out how long this baby is. There it is. Okay, so I have it hooked up over there. Well, kind of just not plugged in, just hooked up. There's a chair, a little patio furniture. And it ends right here. So, yes. Monster wire right there. Look at that. It's almost the full length of the patio itself. Just about less than a foot away from the next bar right here. Yeah, so it's a monstrous cable. I mean, you could plug it into the wall and sit pretty far. So, is it worth it? Heck yeah. Man, this is a long old wire. But you could sit in bed or lay down or even in the couch and don't have to worry about it pulling away from the wall itself. Like I said, this runs either $10 to $15. Very, very cheap. You could buy that short wire from Apple. I just found out. Just a short lightning cable from Apple for $20, $19.99. That's expensive. And if you want something not even this long, like a 6-footer, you're looking at around $30. So very, very expensive for an Apple product. Or you could just walk over to your local Walgreens and walk out with this monstrosity right here. And the wire is pretty thick, nice and sturdy. I mean, it feels real genuine, real quality. I also purchased this wall wart for it. Yes, I know it's not an Apple product, but Apple wants $19 for it, $20 for one. Now, yes, my iPhone did come with one, but what if I'm in the living room or something? I don't want to disconnect it from my room. I have to reach behind the bed and take it out, unplug it, and walk all over, all downstairs and all that good stuff. So, yeah, this is kept in the living room. I don't recommend to use something that's not for the product that's made by the product, but so far it's been working. I mean, you've heard about a lot about phone fires and all that because they're not using the official product. But I mean, Walgreens, it's a respectable company. I mean, you're not buying this from the swap meet or something, you know. This is pretty good, pretty safe, and it's FCC. FCC does approve of it, so I mean, it kind of makes you safe, you know, peace of mind. So yeah, so I purchased this for like $5.99 and 15 bucks, so 20 bucks right here. Or buy you the short one at Apple. Which one will you decide? So definitely recommend it. All right, guys, thank you for watching this review. Yes, it's about a cheap product, but hey, it's a review, right? So I give you my opinion, you guys give yours. Comment below if you have anything to say about it. I mean, anything negative, always welcome as well. I love negative comments. They're funny. Yeah, definitely subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching my video. This is Taurus 3800 logging out.